Themindcatcher's channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look using the Juvia's Place Chocolates palette. You guys have been waiting on that. It's only going to be my eyes and my lips, so if you like to see this, keep watching. Alright friends, the first thing we're going to do is start off with some primer on our lids. The next thing I'm going to do is apply a little bit of concealer on my lid. I'm going to go with dark cocoa today just because it's already on my hand for my brows. So I'm just going to use my finger and apply it to my lids just to even out my skin tone up there. The next thing I'm going to do is apply a little face powder onto my lids just to set that concealer I just put down. It's going to help all of the eyeshadows blend across the lid very easily. So just a little tip. And we're going into the Juvia's Place Chocolates palette. A lot of you guys have been waiting on this. I have been waiting on this as well. I have not touched this palette since I did the swatch video, so I'm very excited. That's what it looks like on the inside. And they are super pigmented. I'll link the swatch video for the berries palette and the chocolates palette down below. So if you want to see the swatches against my skin tone, check that video out. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is go into this shade right here. And this is going to be our transition color. For my brow bone shade, I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here. I'm going to start off a little light with it because I don't know what it's going to do yet, but let's see. So I'm going to go back into the other brush and blend that transition color to the brow bone. I'm not adding any more color to the brush at all. Just blending. I'm going to go into this deeper shade here and I'm applying that in the outer corner. Oh, super deep. Yes. The pigmentation on all of their palettes is insane. Okay, so I created somewhat of a V shape on that outer corner. We're going to do the same thing over here. Next, I'm going to go into this shade right down here, nice and sparkly. And I'm going to wet my brush just a bit. Just going to use a little rose water I had. Oh, wow. Nice and sparkly. It's beautiful. Nice and sparkly. I'm going back into that very deep brown. And I'm going to apply that here in the outer corner. Just blend the two a bit. Just going around that sparkly shade a bit, blending out those harsh edges. On the bottom lash line, I'm going to do something fun. I'm going to add a little green down there. This is like a hunter green, very deep. I want to see how that looks on the bottom lash line, just to give us a little color, something different. And this pencil is from Estee Edit. These were the creamiest, best pencils I have ever used on my eyes. And I'm hoping that they still have this. I don't even know if Estee Edit is still a thing. But these were some very creamy eye pencils and I hope they have them. On the inside of the waterline here, I'm going to use a black, also by Estee Edit. And on my top lash line, we're going to apply a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash. Love this mascara. If you have not gotten your hands on it, please do. That's what it looks like. It is so good. The formula is excellent. There are a few I liked in the past that I spoke about, but this one is very, very nice. I think I may do a video about it. Alright guys, I'm going to go away and apply a lash. These are going to be the Profusion Iconic 3D lashes. That's what the packaging looks like. I'm a little upset about these because I love these lashes. They look beautiful on my little eyes. I know a lot of you guys have little squinty eyes like me, and you're always asking me where I get the lashes from. They're not too crazy, they're wispy, they're natural, and they look beautiful on me. But I don't know where they get them from. I don't know where Profusion sells these. I've looked everywhere where Profusion is sold, and I can't find these. So if Profusion or if anybody out there knows where you can get these from, please leave it in the comment section, because I would hate to believe they send out the PR packages, but then the consumer can't purchase them in store, or at least on Amazon or something, or Walmart website. I don't know. But if you guys know how to purchase these lashes, please leave it in the comment, and I'll pin it so everybody can see it. So I'm going to go away and do that, and I'll be right back. All right, friends, and this is what we're looking like. So pretty. Really, really love this so far. We're going to apply a little bit of mascara to our bottom lash line. We're going to be using the same mascara. Also, we're going to do our lips. I'm using my favorite lip liner. This is Pitch by ColourPop. And a lot of people said that there is a dupe for it because it was discontinued, which is BFF4. So it's a deep, dark brown. For a lippy, we're going to be using this one by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I believe this is a gloss. This is in the shade Maple, like maple syrup. Oh, this should be beautiful. I did a full swatch of all the lip glosses that I have in my possession. It was about 20 maybe. So I might link that below. You guys can check that out. They have beautiful shades. This one, again, is Maple. Very pretty. All right, so that is what Maple looks like. Very pretty shade, and this is your completed eye look. So the Chocolates palette did not let me down at all. I didn't expect anything less. It's beautiful. Again, I'm going to be linking below the swatches for the berries and the chocolate palettes down below. I swatched both in the same video. I might still go back and get, what is it, the violets, and it's something else. I mean, the pigmentation, I love Juvia's Place for the eyeshadows. If you have not purchased any Juvia's Place, please do. You will love it. I'm also wearing their foundation in the shade Angola. Beautiful. I cannot say enough about their products and the quality of them, okay? Try it out. That's all I can tell you. I've been purchasing them for a while, over a year now, and I have not been disappointed. I still need to try out their concealer, and there's a few lippy products that I want to try from them, and their blush palette, I think. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Cyber kisses. Bye.